Hi everyone, welcome to Lace Academy's YouTube videos. In this video, I'll discuss with you 19 to 20 questions that were given in quant module of TCS examination that was conducted yesterday in the third slot, which was conducted at 5 o'clock in the evening. Let us see what is the best way of answering the questions that are given in yesterday's exam. Manish wants to build a tank with metal sheet. The tank will be open from the top. Dimensions LBH are given. The area of the metal sheet needed. So except the top, all the surfaces should be there. So the area that is needed is 2 into BH plus HL is the lateral surfaces area plus the bottom, which is LB. One LB is missing because top is missing. Here height is given in centimeters. I will be writing it as 0.8 meter. So 2 into B into H, 1.5 into 0.8, 1.2, HL 0.8 into 2, 1.6 plus LB 2 into 1.5. So this much square meters are needed. 1.2 plus 1.6 is 2.8 into 2 is 5.6 plus 3 is 8.6. So 8.6 square meter area of sheet is needed. Let us see the next question given. A dry fruit seller sells his fruit at 5% less price than the cost price. Due to a technical error, balance measures 19 grams as 20 grams. Okay. So his overall loss is a 5% lesser price, 95 by 100. And 19 grams are actually, so it's measuring 20 grams as 19 grams. So he's giving out 20 grams to the customer, but he's thinking he's giving only 19 grams. So he's getting another loss here. So it also can be written as 19 by 20 returns by investment. Actually, 19 by 20 also can be written as 95 by 100 into 5 into 5. If you compound this 95 into 95 is 9025. So it is 90.25%. Straightforwardly, you can see 9.75% loss is there, or 93 by 4% we can say. Both are losses only. So he will be getting a total loss of 9.75%. Let's see the next question. A can do a work in 10 days, B can do 1/3 of the work in 5 days, so total work 15 days. C 1/4 work in 10 days, so total work in 40 days. AB started the work, but B left after 3 days. C joined A to complete the work. By how many days will the work be delayed? Actually, when A and B work together, they will be working with efficiencies 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Which is 3 by 30 plus 2 by 30, 5 by 30, 1 by 6. So they should be completing the work in 6 days. They work for how many days? 3 days. Normally, if they continued, 3 more days would be needed. But now A and C are continuing. So A plus C will be continuing, which is 4 by 40 plus 1 by 5 by 40, 1 by 8. So they normally take 8 days to do the complete work. Already half work is over. So half work they will be taking 4 days. It should actually have taken 3 days only if AB worked. So with C and A, they are taking 4 days. So by how many days the work is delayed? By 1 day, the work got delayed. Instead of 3 days, the work is taking 4 days now. Let us see the next question. Equilateral triangle of side 44 centimeters is formed using a wire. The same wire is used to make a circle. What's the diameter? Okay. 44 centimeter side meter, its perimeter is 132. So same perimeter should form the circle's circumference 2 pi r. We know that 44 threes is 132, r equal to 21. So when radius is 21 centimeter, diameter will be 42 centimeter. Straightforward question. Let's see the next question. Variance of the given data. Variance means first you have to find the mean. First I'll add the hundreds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 hundreds. 16 plus 52, 68, 80, 120, 124, and 44. 120, 164, 168. So 168, so 768. For total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So 6, 128 is the mean. Once you get the mean, find out the deviations. 116 and 128, deviation is 12, 12 square. 152 and 128, 24, 24 square. 112 and 128 deviation, 16 square. 140 and 128, 12 square. 140 again 16 square, 24 square. By all these squares added divided by number of values. 144 plus 576, 720, exactly. 720 by 6 is 120 plus 256 plus 144. 400 plus 256, 656. In 656, I remove 56 separately. 600 by 6 is 100. Now 576 plus 56, 632. 632 by 6, which is 105.2 by 6 is 33. So this will be your total variance, 220, 325. Right? Let's see the next question. Two friends here decided to meet at a place at 9 p.m. They started from same point at same time. A traveled with 40 km per hour, reached at 9:15. R traveled at 60, reached at, so 45 minutes difference is there. So distance traveled with 40 speed and distance traveled with 60 speed. The difference is 45 minutes, which is 3 by 4th hour. What is the distance each travel? D value is asking. If I take LCM as 120, 3D minus 2D, D by 120 is equal to 3 by 4. You can see D is equal to 90 km. Right? This is a straightforward question. Let's see the next one. Savita has some red balls, Ajay has some green balls. Ratio of number of balls they have 2, 3. So let us say Savita's red balls are 2x and Ajay green balls are 3x. Savita gave 1/4 of them. 2x may 1/4 means x by 2 given to Jaya, and Ajay gave 3/4. 3/4 of 3x is 9x by 4 given to Jaya. What is the ratio of red and green ball Jaya has? So what is the ratio of this is asking. So it is 2:9. X get cancelled. 2:9 will be remaining. 9 by 2. 2:9 straightforwardly. Let's see the next question. Raju purchases a box and wants to market to get 15% profit after offering 10% discount. By what percentage greater than the cost price but with the market price? So 10% discount on the market price should be giving you 15% profit on the cost price. So you can see market price. If you want, you can do like this 115 by 90, or if you cut it, it will be 23 by 18 of the cost price. So if market price is 23 by 18 of the cost price, how much more it is? 5 by 18 more. To make it a percentage 5 by 18 more, you can simply say 500 by 18%. 500 by 18 is 250 by 9. So what is 250 by 9 is asking. 9 2 is 18, 9 7 63, 27 7 by 9% more. Simple logic. Let's see the next question given. Mean of the given data is 19, then the median is. First of all, let's see how many values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 values are there. Let's add them because mean has to be found. 53, 69, 87, 101, 122, 127, 162, 180, 190, 202, 219, 242. So 242 plus P is the total divided by 14 values is 19. So is equal to 14 into 19 I can write. 14 into 19 is 280 minus 14. 260. 280 minus 14 is 266. Because 14 into 20 is 280 minus 14. So 14 into 19. So P equal to 24. So if P is 24, what is the median? I have to actually arrange these numbers in ascending order. 5, 10, 12. I'm cutting out them. 5, 10, 12. Next 14, 16, 17, 18, 18, 17, 18, 18, 21, 21, 23, 32, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 32, 21, 21, 23, 14 is written. P is 24, sorry. P 24 also has to be written now because P is also there. Yeah, 14 values. So middlemost value you have to see. 6 values from here. 6 values from here. Middlemost values both are 18 and 18. So your median also will be 18. Let's see the next question. Manoj traveled one third of a distance at 16 km per hour, another half at 15 and covered the remaining at 20. So one third and half, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So let us say there are totally 6 equal parts of the journey. Out of 6 equal parts, one third means 2 parts of the journey made at 16 speed. Half means 3 parts of the journey made at 15 speed. Remaining 1 part made at 20 speed. This will be the average speed of the journey. He has given the total time. What is the distance God is asking? So this is nothing but 6 divided by 1 by 8 and 1 by 5. I can write it as. So if I take LCM as 40, 40 goes up 8 5s plus 5 8s. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 2, 15. So this is the speed. Into time, if you make total distance, 15, 15 anyhow get cancelled, 6 into 40, 240 kilometers is the distance traveled. This is the average speed. Why I considered 6 equal parts? Because half of the journey is needed, one third of the journey is needed. So for one third and half, 2 and 3, 6 will be easily divisible. So equal 6 parts I have taken to make it easier. Let's see the next question. In a sports club, football, cricket, badminton players ratio is 235. Due to new entries, new increased by 250. 2 increased by 250% means into 350. Into 350. 2 into 350% is 7. 3 increased by one third. 3 one third is 1. So 3 increased by 1 becomes 4. And 5 increases by 60%. 5 increased by 60%. 5 into 160%. 16 by 8. So this is a new ratio. Straightforward question. Let's see the next one. Yoga instructor wants to arrange the students in rows with equal number of students in each row. If he arranges 8, 10, 14 or 16 in each row, 4 students are left. So the number of students must be the common multiple of these numbers with extra 4 because that is a remainder. And that number when divided by 12, exactly no student is left. Let's find out the LCM of 8, 4, 10, 14, 16. I think 8 and 16 are there, so 8 need not be worried. 10, 14, 16 LCM we have to find. 14 and 16. 14 is 7 into 2, 16 is 8 into 2. 7 8 56 into 2. 112 is the LCM. And 112 and 10, 2 is common. 5 is the only difference. So 112 into 5, 560 is the LCM. And for 560, 4 members needed to be more because 4 should be remainder. So 564 can be the least number of possible things. And let us see whether it can be divided by 12 or not. 12 4 is 48, 12 7 perfectly. 564 is the least number possible. Let's see the next one. When 2/5 of the first number is added to second number, the second number increases. That means 2/5 of the first number should be equal to 1/4 of the second number. What's the first number to second number ratio is asking? 5 by 8. First number to second number ratio is 5 by 8. 5 is to 8. Straightforward question. No need of wasting even 10 seconds of time here. Kavya takes twice number of days as Vipin. So Vipin actually is 2 times of Kavya as far as efficiency is concerned. Vipin takes thrice number of days as Navya. So Navya is 3 times of Vipin. I can say Kavya is 2 times, Vipin is 2 times of Kavya, Navya is 3 times of Vipin. All the 3 together 8 days. Vipin, how many days? All the 3 means Vipin, Kavya and Navya. Now Kavya can be written as Vipin by 2 plus Vipin plus Navya can be written as 3 times of Vipin. All together 1 by 8 efficiency. This is 4 plus half 9 by 2. So 9 Vipin by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 efficiency. Vipin efficiency is coming as 1 by 36. 2 4 8 9 4. So 36 days Vipin will take to complete the work. Vipin equal to 1 by 36 is coming. Let's see the next one. Ramesh lends an amount at 6% SI for 2 years, so he'll get 12% back. Had he lent it at CI for the same rate, same time, he'll be getting 12.36% back because of compounding 106 into 106. So 0.36% extra, and he would have earned 54 more. So 0.36% extra is equal to 54. He's asking of the principal. What is the principal? So actually 36 into what becomes 54 or 540, let's say. 36 ones 36, 18, 36 fives. So the answer should actually start with 15 because 36 into 15 is 540. There is only one option with 1 and 5 digits. Zeros need not be worried because by 100 will go that side anyhow. Right? So by seeing 15 is the only possibility where 36 into 15 becomes 540, where 5 and 4 are the important things. Let's see the next question. Shrutika has 3 brothers and sisters. Her 2 brothers are 2 years, 4 years younger than her. So brothers, two brothers are younger than her, and Shrutika is here, and there is an elder brother. Her sisters are 4 years elder, so they are elder than her brothers also. So first sister, second sister, third sister. This is Shrutika. Shrutika is 15 years old. Her one brother is 2 years elder than her. One brother is 2 years younger than her. One brother is 4 years younger than her. Sisters are 4 years elder, 5 years elder, and 7 years elder. That's Shrutika. Shrutika is 15. What is a median is asking. So if all the numbers are already arranged in ascending order, median becomes the middlemost value. Sorry, these are the options for the other question. So median of the given data is 17. So 17 should be your answer. Let's see the next one. 3 power x minus 5 is 243. Actual 243 is 3 power 5 more. So x minus 5 equal to 5. 2 power x plus 5 equal to 128. Actually 128 is 2 power 7. So x plus y equal to 7. When you see this, x equal to 6 and y equal to 1. So x power 3y, 6 power 3, 216 plus 6 into y power something, 1 power something is always 1. So 6 into 1 is 6. 216 plus 6 is 222. Let's see what's the next one. During 2017, 18, 19, a batsman scores 900, 209 and 1044 runs with average of 45, 46 and average are given with the total scores. What's the average of all 3 years? So first we have to find out how many innings he played. 900 total with average 45. Number of innings is 20 because 45 20 is 900. 1209 total with average of 46.5. Number of matches is 1209 by 46 and half. Let's try to crack this. 46 and half 2. 93. 93 actually 279. We know that 46 5 is 270. 45 5 is 45 6s is 270. Yeah, 45 270 and 6 and half 6 are perfect 26. So 26 matches are played in the second year. 1044 total with 43 and half average. 43 and half 2 is 87. 87 174. 44 is 160. 3 and half 4 is 14 perfect. 24. These are the number of matches. Now overall average means add all the things 900 plus 1200, 2100 plus 1000, 3100 plus 53. 3153 is the total out of all these matches played. 26, 24, 50 plus 20, 70. So that 3153 by 70. 7 4s, 28, 7 5s. So 45 point something should be the answer. Luckily, there is only one option of that kind. Right? So you need to crack these two number of matches. You can use your calculator if you are not okay by calculating this. You can use your system calculator for this question. Right? Let's see the next one. During pandemic, the price of sale of cricket balls decreased by 15%. Okay. And price also decreased by 15%. So this will be the overall effect. 85 and 85 is 85 square. 85 square is 7225. So 72.25 it becomes. So how much decrease it happened? 27.75% decrease. Again, our people copied the questions of previous question options. Sorry. So 27.75% decrease is the overall effect happening. So this is your answer. 27.75% decrease. Right? Let's see the next question. Yeah. So these are the 20 questions that I have segregated. Just go through the answers that I have given. As TCS completed its examinations with all slots, Wipro may be opening the recruitments very soon. We'll be taking every day one video on how to answer a few questions of various concepts related for recruitment of Wipro, Capgemini or Cognizant, which may be opening in near future. All the best. Thank you.